If you have ever wanted to play Genshin Impact on your computer or laptop but did not know where to start, this video is for you. If you're looking maybe for a simple and free way to download it without getting confused, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and install Genshin Impact on your computer or laptop for free, completely free. I will explain everything clearly so you don't miss any important steps, and by the end of this video you will have the game ready to play on your computer or laptop. Let's get started. What you're gonna do here now is you're going to open the start menu and go to Microsoft Store. What you're gonna have to do now is you're going to install Epic Games Launcher so you can be able to download Genshin Impact from Epic Games, because you're not gonna be able to download it directly from the official website of Genshin Impact. And here you're going to search for Epic Games. And here you're just going to simply install it by clicking on install. You're going to wait for a few seconds until it's actually downloaded. Here we're going to click on yes. Once Epic Games Launcher is installed, open the app and make sure you create an account if you don't have one, and then you're going to simply search for Genshin Impact by going to the search bar and typing in Genshin Impact. It's going to appear here. You're just going to click it, then scroll down and click on Get. As you can see here, it's for free. It's not going to cost you anything. And here click on View in Library. And here you're going to click it and simply click Install. This is how you can download and install Genshin Impact on your computer or laptop for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.